students. My name is Jyoti Nautiyal children, and today I have come up with the same topic. However, we are going to recapitulate it in detail. Okay? In the subject English. Name of the topic is this, that, and these, those. Now look into this picture and you will understand. Okay? Whenever our noun is singular, just one, and it is near to us, we will use this. And whenever our noun is just one and is far away, we will use that. This apple, that apple. Okay? Now, whenever our noun or pronoun is plural, as you see that in the picture, we have three apples. Okay? And they are near to us. So, how are we going to call out? We will say these apples. Okay? And whenever the apples or the nouns are far away, we will say those apples. Why? Because they are far. Okay? So that is the rule, children, which you need to keep in mind always. Now, how are you going to use this or these? Okay, whenever we have just one noun, we will use this. And whenever we have many or plural noun, we will use these. Okay? For example, I like this book. Okay? And why I'm saying so? Because I have just one book. You can see that in the picture also. Now, in the second picture, you see we have two pictures of dresses. Yes, one is green, another one is blue. I know girls, they love the dresses. Okay? So, the girl is saying, I want these dresses. Why? Because number one, dresses more than one. Secondly, they are near to me. Okay? So how am I going to write? I want these dresses. Okay? Okay. Now let's talk about that and those. Now children, always remember that whenever the noun is far away, okay? If it is one, if the noun is just one, we use that. That is my house. That is my car. Okay? And if the noun or pronoun is many, more than one, and it is far away, we will say those. Okay? For example here, those are my medals. Okay? So now you have understood the concept of this, that, these, those. Now let's check it out, children. This is exercise number 3 from your English workbook, page number 20. Let's try to solve it out, okay? Let's read the first question. Dash is a computer game, okay? Now you can see just one arrow. That means it is near to me, right? So, answer is, this is a computer game, okay? Now second is, dash are buses. Now you can see the arrow is long. Okay, that means distance is more. So, what do you think it's going to come here? We have more than one bus. That means buses. And the distance is far. So, what will come here? Those are buses. Okay. Now, the third question. Dash is a camera. Just one camera and arrow is so small. That means distance is less. So what is going to come here, children? Yes, this is a camera. Okay? Now, in the next sentence, dash are grapes. Okay? More than one, many, noun is plural, and the length of the arrow is also long. Okay? It's lengthier. So, we will write down. Yes, you are right. Those are grapes. See, point number 4. Okay? Now, let's see the fifth sentence. In the fifth sentence, it's dash is a ball. Now, the ball is just one and it is far away. So, that's why we will write down that is a ball. Similarly, children, you see more than one watches, okay? and they are near. Okay, so what are we going to write? These are watches. Now in the 7th question, you see just one dress, one pretty blue dress, and that is also near because the length of the arrow is short. Okay, so we will write down this is a dress. Now question number 8, you see a long arrow. That means the distance is more. Okay, and we have just one TV. So we will use here that is a TV. Now question number 9, more than one chair. We have 3 chairs here and the length of the arrow is quite short. So that means we are going to use here these. These are chairs. Now last question. Apples more than one and the length of the arrow is long. So that means distance is far. So we are going to use here those. Those are apples. So this is what we have to do in the workbook, children. Now you have to write down 6 sentences in your fair English copy. Okay, the orange copy. So question is fill in the blanks with these, this, that or those. Any one of them in each and every question. Okay, choose the right option. Okay, this work you have to do in the notebook. Number 1, dash shoes are black. Now see the length of the arrow, it's short. Okay, so and shoes more than one, so we will use these here. These shoes are black. Now number 2, dash are tall buildings. Now more than one building, so we will use buildings, and the length of the arrow is also long. That means distance is far. Okay, so what are we going to write? Those are tall buildings. Now in the 3rd question, you see just one plant. Okay, and the arrow is also very short. That means it is near. Yes, plant is near and it is only one. So we are going to write down this. This is a green plant. Okay. In the 4th question, you see the length of the arrow. It's quite far. And there is a picture of just one bird. And that bird is flying. Okay. So we will use here that. That is a flying bird. Okay. Now question number 5. Dash are fruits. Look at the length of the arrow. That means distance is far. Okay. And the plate is full of different kind of fruits. So it is more than one for sure. Okay. So we are going to write those are fruits. Now question number 6. Dash are vegetables. Okay. More than one. That's why we have written vegetables. Added S. And look at the length of the arrow. It is quite short. Okay. So we will say these are vegetables. Got it, children? So this was the work which you need to do in your notebook. Okay, children. So that's all for today. Keep practicing and take a very good care of yourself. Thank you very much. Have a nice